Hello and welcome to today's video. Let's see what happens when lead-2 nitrate decomposes. It gives lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. Now this equation is going to be a little tricky to balance because oxygen is involved in different compounds on the product side. Let's start counting the number of atoms on the reactant side. Lead is equals to 1. Now here let me clear one thing first. This 2 has to be multiplied with these 3 oxygen atoms and nitrogen separately. So let's do it. For nitrogen, N is equals to 1 multiplied by 2, which gives us 2 nitrogen atoms. For oxygen, we get 3 multiplied by 2, 6 oxygen atoms. On the product side, lead is 1, nitrogen is also 1, and oxygen is 1 plus 2 plus 2. That is 5. Now let's add our coefficients. If I put 2 here, it means that it has to be multiplied with this lead, nitrogen, and oxygen. Let's do it. Lead multiplied by 2, we get 2 lead atoms. I multiply it here as well. I get 2 lead atoms. I put 2 here, which means 2 lead atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Now we'll count the number of oxygens at the end. I'll be putting my coefficients and the counting later. For nitrogen, this 2 gets multiplied with this 2. So we get 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. To balance this 4 nitrogen, on the product side, I multiply 1 with 4 and I get 4 nitrogen atoms. I put my coefficient here. Now this means 4 multiplied by nitrogen, 4 nitrogens, and again 4 multiplied with this O2 and I get 8 oxygen atoms. Again, I'll count the oxygen atoms at the end. Now this 2 gets multiplied with this O3 multiplied with this 2. So we get 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. Now first let's count the number of oxygen to see if it is balanced, and if it's not, then we'll add our coefficients later. 2 oxygens, 8 oxygens, and 2 oxygens. 2 plus 8 plus 2 equals 12. It's already balanced, we don't have to do anything. So now let's compare both sides and see what do we get. 2 here and 2 here for lead, 4 here and 4 here for nitrogen, 12 here and 12 here for oxygen. This equation is balanced. Thank you very much.